In this episode, our hero Shadow Hunter is stuck in a dark forest. The enemy is close, he's injured, low on energy. But he's got a potion in his backpack and knows a deadly spell. We're gonna help him survive this battle together. In this video, we'll learn how to use modules to write clean, organized, and professional code, just like real developers do. If you found my tutorial helpful, subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. In Python, a module is just a py file that contains code, functions, or classes, and we can import that file into other Python files. For example, you can write a spell casting function once and reuse it whenever you need it across different projects. In this project, we'll create 3 files: potion.py for our healing potion, spell.py for our fire spell, and main.py, the main file where everything comes together. We'll start by making a file with a simple function. This function will simulate drinking a potion. It will print a message like, "You drank a potion," and increase our hero's energy. The default potion power will be 20, but we can customize that if we want. In this file, we write a function called fireball. When we call it, it will launch a fireball at the enemy and deal double the power we specify. It will also print a message showing that the spell was cast and the enemy was hit. This is where we put it all together. The game starts. We set the hero's initial energy. We call the heal function to use the potion, and the new energy is calculated and printed. Then we cast the fireball on the enemy, goblin. When we want to use a function written in another file, we need to import it as a module like this. From potion, import heal. From spell, import fireball. This way, we're importing just those specific functions, and we can call them directly. Nice, clean, and scalable. Let's say the hero's current energy is 40. We call energy equals heal energy. This means we pass the current energy to the heal function. It returns the new energy after adding the potion's power. Since heal returns a value, we need to store it in a variable, otherwise we lose it. Then we print out the new energy to see how much health he regained. The fireball function takes 2 arguments: the enemy's name, like goblin, the power of the spell, like 25. We write damage equals fireball goblin 25. This means we launch a fireball at goblin with power 25. The function calculates the damage, which is 2x power, so 50 here. Since it returns a value, we store it in the damage variable. Then we print out how much damage was dealt to the enemy. Modules help us split our code into separate understandable parts, making it easier to read, scale, and reuse in future projects. In this simple example, we learned what a module is, how to separate code into different files, and how to import and use a function from another file. Got any questions? Drop a comment. I'll reply personally. Thanks for watching till the end.